Yo, what's up, Pump Down? How you doing? How you doing, Pump Down and friends? Wow, what a messy day. Very messy day. If you got spanked today, don't worry about it. It happens. You're gonna need to journal it. And don't stress out too much. Something you're going to learn about the markets very soon is it's got no feelings. So you got to have no feelings. Eventually, you're going to be able to frame low probability conditions, and you're going to know how to sit them out. That is the hard work, and that's what takes the greatest deal of time to get through. And this is where traders collapse. They say, it's not for me. I'm out. I don't know how to do this. It's a scam. Nobody's making money trading. I can tell you, people are making money trading. Not 90% of people. So what are you going to do different to get into the inner circle? So today it was kind of weird. We got some expectations. We got our fair value gap, sweet. A little bit deeper than we'd like to see on that retracement. Let's figure out where we bottomed for the day here. In this rejection block, I would have to say, and maybe even this inversion fair value gap here. Now, I don't know how to treat that because it's an indigo, it's a gap, but it's kind of tough. And I mean, the bottom of the day was the upper quadrant of the inversion fair value gap, so I like that. I'm not going to pull from there because it's not perfect. Right there, it's perfect. And now that we have the benefit of hindsight, great. And we were also considering yesterday that we could drop down into the inversion fair value gap. Oops, not that one. That one. So this is just a fair value gap. The inversion fair value gap I'm talking about is this candle's low and this candle's high. So the difference between those two, buy side imbalance in here, snaps one single clean pass through. Now, it's not immediately balanced, but it had some repricing in there before the snap up. So it's just a different classification in how we use this specific PD array. And I mean, you want precision, bam, there it is. And where was our high of the week? Well, right where we wanted it to be. Boom. So we found the low of the week here, and I was considering, I think in here somewhere. It was in the daily time frame, but it came down to here. And bam, bottom of the week, top of the week. Hey, the week did exactly what we thought it was gonna. Whoa. No way. Huh. Wow. So back to the daily time frame. When we were hanging around, well, let's go back to the week actually. When we were hanging around above this order block here and below this order block here, and we were just hanging around for a couple of weeks, it was really lame, okay? We had a slight bearish bias, but maybe it was bullish at the time. I can't remember. But anyway, it's really hard to call a direction when you're stuck in between two PD arrays, and you'll see us do this a lot in the PM sessions where we'll be stuck above a bullish order block and below a bearish order block, and it will just bounce all day, and then finally it will show its hand to us. This is where the charts become obvious. It could have bounced off the bullish order block and went up. It could have bounced off the bearish order block and went down. It just happened to go down. So once it showed its hand to us, we're in what? A discount market, sell side liquidity. Where are you going? Probably back up to a premium, right? Counter trading all the selling pressure emos out there. And if that's you, I got news for you. The markets are rigged. So this is where we're at. We got exactly what we wanted to see. We seen the information. Great. Now we got our gap. So what's going to happen now? Well, I don't know. I wish I could tell you. I wish this candle was a candle just like this so I could tell you exactly what's going to happen. I can't do that. Okay? I can't. So you guys that are going, hey, what's next? I don't know. It's not always going to be stupid obvious because we're back up in equilibrium. We're below a bearish order block and above a bullish order block. Welcome to macro chop. So it's generating the idea that it's really bullish with this bull flag, isn't it? It did take that stop out, didn't it? I'm kind of more bullish than bearish just because Bitcoin and this guy are pretty good friends. So, I'm bullish on crypto, so I wouldn't be bearish on NASDAQ, is my point. Now, here's the problem. We already made this retracement and a handsome sum more. Pretty dang lame. This candle here, tomorrow when we wake up, which is technically today, this candle, wild card. I have no idea where price is going, you guys. I wish it was still up here so I could say, yeah, we're coming back down to this fair value gap. So sure, we're likely going to reprice to this fair value gap. But after, what happens after that, I couldn't tell you. So keep it real simple. It's AMD all day, every day. Sometimes it's just AD, accumulation, distribution. But that's typically because the higher time frame discount array has been met already. So dropping into a 15-minute chart. This is our week. Open, low, high, close. Freaking beautiful, isn't it? So it's already, the AMD profile has already materialized. And this is why when Thursday drops into our TGIF retracements, expectations here, 20 to 30% of the total range for the week, creating the wick of that weekly candle. So imagine this whole piece of price here. That's the whole life cycle of this week so far. So you had your open, it trades down, makes the tail of the candle, trades back beyond the opening price, creating a bullish candle. Watermark high of the week here. And if you go to the week, you will see that that price point is the exact same as the one I just pointed out. So that's the top of the week. Okay, so that bottom, we opened, we traded down, we traded back above the open, making a bullish candle, topping out here. Then that retracement I just showed you that happened today, that's the wick of this candle. And that's how a candle is born. So that's what just created that wick right there. It's watermark high of the week. Boop. So this is what I'm saying. It's a wild card. We could just dump right down to these equal lows. We could go for another high and then come back for a TGIF. That would be the best, I think. So this is that fair value gap in the daily. Now, this would be the best case scenario. We do absolutely nothing. And then New York, we wake up and price is dipping. And then we hunt our Matilda, breaker, new high, and then maybe a retracement. Come on. Maybe a retracement back down into the range. Maybe. Or maybe we just dangle up here for the rest of the week. Or like for the rest of the day. That's on the table. There's also this scenario where we make a significant high for London, come down, and then chop down here all day. And just destruction. I've been noticing Fridays are not my strong days, especially when TGIF is not present, like now. Fridays are not my strong days. I end up losing Not all, obviously, but some of my gains for the week. So I am living it up right now. Other than Take Profit Trader liquidated a account that I had this morning over a limit order that was left open in the market. So they consider that an open position. Be warned if you hear this. They consider limit orders after market close open positions. So other than that, the week was great. Like, I had a really great week. Bitcoin, NASDAQ, other accounts. It's great. So it's not the end of the world, but at the same time, it was like, So, I'm pretty dang good. Like, I don't need to be gung ho. Just like today, we framed this garbage the night before. It materialized just as we anticipated it would. And yeah, it's tough to trade this. We all do so. I mean, I didn't trade much of this. I don't think any. I took a short in here and called her a day. When I closed my take profit, I had a limit order set right in that gap right there, and I didn't close it for the end of the day. So when my trade hit and turned here, I shut my trades down for the day, and they seen that on the order book, and then I still had 2 orders open for a take profit. Just super lame. Anyway, yeah, keep it real, you guys. You know what you're doing. Don't force it. I would use tomorrow as a study guide. If you did well this week, if you got hurt today, don't try and revenge trade tomorrow. It's going to be really tough to do. Okay, these trades here will make you feel like you're just the best trader ever. You're like, yeah, I was in it. I'm a good trader. And then you just get destroyed in there. That's a normal thing. So we're just running damage control until our beauty shows up. Matilda, what's up, girl? It's not Dom. What's up, buddy? Mario, Bellicose, Bazar, Maz King. Hey, buddy. There you are. There he is. Could be the bot, says Staz. What's up, Cisco and Baz Crouton? Right, word up, guys. Well, you got some hardcores in here. I got such a big audience now, I don't even want to shut her down. What's up? Got to be here more often. Oh, you're my little youngling in school. Look, man, you're going places. Just don't get too excited, all right, my buddy? You got a lot of road for you ahead of you. You're in such a good position, bro. Don't rush it. Yeah, baby shark in the house. Amen. Do. Baby shark. What's up, Matt? Yeah, so that's all I have for you, which is a warning. Tomorrow is, because TGIF is not present anymore, my edge is gone. So if something is really retard obvious, I'll point it out to you guys like I do, and just don't expect much from tomorrow, okay, you guys? Exactly. Stay patient, stay the course. God bless you all. Thank you for joining, and we'll likely see you tomorrow. God willing. Trade safe.